TrophyCatTackle.com. Use Matt W15, save you 15% on your purchase. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt. I just got a delivery of my Trophy Cat Tackle 11-foot catfish rods. These are just test rods, so they're not out to the public yet. I have a casting and a spinning, and these things are going to cast very, very far. Can't wait to get out in the water and use them. You gotta whip it. Use code MattW15 at TrophyCatTackle.com. Thanks for watching. Also, something else I received in the mail is from Alpha Legacy Apparel. That is also owned and operated by PJ. You can get a hold of them on Facebook or Instagram, or you can get a hold of Trophy Cat Tackle on Facebook or Instagram. But he started a new company where he can print on t-shirts, hoodies, sweaters, pretty much anything, I'm pretty sure. Get a hold of him. Here's what I received today. He can also do banners. If you have a team event or store or any kind of event where you want to put your logo on, he can do it for you. Has grommets that go all the way around. The material is very sturdy, very strong. It is double-sided. See if I can flip this over. It is double-sided. This thing is very, very nice. Get a hold of PJ and he can hook you up with any apparel that you need for your team, your business, or whatever it is you want. It's Alpha Legacy Apparel.